This is what's jumping in my pot today. Black pepper chicken. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients I have here. Fresh ginger and minced garlic. Chili peppers, fresh chili peppers. Black pepper, cornstarch, brown sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, chicken broth, onions, and I have in here red bell pepper and green bell pepper. And of course, the chicken. I have the chicken breast here that I diced up and washed it in lemon juice. Now let's get to the first step. We're going to make the sauce. I have here chicken broth, brown sugar, the black pepper, the rice vinegar, the soy sauce, the sesame oil, cornstarch, and we're going to whisk this up. Everything is whisked up, and now we're going to set this to the side.
So what are you doing next?
I have the chicken cubes here, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the sauce. And we're going to add the cornstarch.
So is this a copycat Panda Express dish?
Yes, it is. Sort of similar.
Not completely the same.
No,
Similar.
but it is a Chinese dish.
So this is kind of like a quarter takeout also then.
Oh, yeah, you could say that. Now we're going to mix this up and let it marinate for about 5 minutes.
So now that you added the oil to the pan, what's next?
We're going to saute up the chicken on each side for about 3 minutes or until it turns brown. Now that the oil has heated up, I'm going to add the chicken to the pan. This is a very easy dish to make.
Would you say this is another 30-minute dish, quick weeknight dinner? And is it also affordable?
Yes, this is affordable because the average person has soy sauce in the pantry. Some might not have sesame oil in the pantry, but it is affordable. You can use chicken thighs also.
But is it definitely a quick dish though?
Yes, it is.
Like about an hour to make?
And about 45 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Now we're going to let this saute up on this side for about 3 minutes. Then we're going to flip it.
It looks like it's time to flip it.
Yes, it is.
Don't forget to check the description box below for all the ingredients in this dish. And also like, subscribe, share, comment. Very important. When you do that, will be much appreciated. Looks like it's coming out pretty good.
Yes, it is. Nice and brown. Now we got to brown them on that side, then take them out.
Yeah, really good color there.
Now we're going to add the minced garlic to the skillet, some grated ginger, then we're going to stir this up. Then we're going to add the onion and the green and red bell pepper.
Is this similar to beef pepper steak?
Yeah, it could be like beef pepper steak. Never thought of that. Okay, it has sauteed up enough. And now we're going to add the chicken back in. And the sauce.
It's a pretty quick stir fry.
And we're going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Easy peasy. Here you have it, black pepper chicken. Enjoy another quick and easy dish. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.